Hello everyone, welcome to the You Try It channel. This is Amy Tong. Today, I have this beautiful magic noodle salad recipe to share with you. Why is it magical? Check this out. That's right, the color of the noodles changes when you add in the dressing. Isn't this fun? Another fun fact that makes this noodle salad magical is that these noodles are zero carbs and super low in calories compared to your traditional noodles. So they're perfect if you are watching your figures. Follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to make this magic noodle salad with sweet and sour dressing. First of all, the color of the noodles comes from the purple cabbage. Yes, it's all natural and good for you. All you need is about a quarter of a cabbage. Cut it into thin strips. Place your cabbage in a medium saucepan. Add in 2 cups of water. Cover and bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. Then turn it to low heat and simmer for 2 minutes. When time is up, remove the pot from heat and let it cool down slightly. Strain out the liquid. You can use the cabbage for another salad or pickle them so nothing goes to waste. And here is the low-calorie and zero-carb noodles that I used. You can find these Yam Noodles in most Asian supermarkets in the refrigerated sections. The noodle usually comes in a pouch with water. Simply strain and discard the liquid in the package. Cut them into shorter length if you like. I am using a 14 ounces package today, and they do come in smaller package as well. Next, place the noodles in the cabbage liquid that we prepared earlier. While your noodle is soaking, let's prepare the dressing for this noodle salad. To keep it low carb, I am using this sugar-free simple syrup. Place 3 tablespoons sugar-free simple syrup in a medium bowl, along with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, half a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of chopped shallots, and 1 chopped Thai chili. Give it a quick stir and your dressing is ready. Next, strain the noodles. You can reuse the cabbage liquid for more noodles. To put everything together, place 1 cup of chopped butter lettuce in a large bowl. Add the magic noodles on top, along with carrot strip from half a carrot, a quarter cup of chopped cilantros, sliced radish, a few cooked shrimps. You can use other proteins such as chicken or pork as well. If you are a vegetarian, grilled tofu would be a wonderful choice too. Sprinkle a few chopped green onions on top and it's good to go. I love serving the dressing at the table because that is part of the fun and experience of this magic noodle salad by watching them change color, right? This magic noodle salad is light and refreshing. The sweet and sour dressing will sure wake up your taste buds. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe and tutorial and will give it a try soon. Before you go, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button below. That way, you won't miss it when I share a new video or recipe. And remember, eat, drink, and be happy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.